So we're going to start this install on freshly cleansed hair. I used a clarifying shampoo to remove any oils and product buildup or residue. Then I followed with a lightweight moisturizing shampoo so the hair is still hydrated but not coated. For tape-ins, the hair must be squeaky clean. Any heavy conditioners or oils will cause the tabs to slip, and we want maximum hold and longevity. I also recommend dusting the ends and not doing a blunt cut because you want to keep the natural movement while removing any thin or frayed pieces. This step helps the extensions blend seamlessly into the client's natural hair. Now, as you're watching, you're going to notice that I briefly show my advanced placement technique, but I developed this over the years. But don't worry, the entire tutorial is going to be focused on a beginner-friendly approach, and that's what we're moving on to next. So now on to the beginner-friendly technique. Sectioning is everything in a tape-in install. Notice that all my parts are clean and straight, no curves. Tape-ins are straight wefts, so they perform best when they sit on straight and structured partings. I like to think of my sections as clean angles or small triangles. This keeps the install balanced, flat, and tension-free. Clean parts, even density, and proper spacing is what gives you that seamless, natural finish. So as we move through this repetitive placement, this is where consistency becomes your best friend. Each section should mirror the last. Your tabs should be aligned evenly, and your tension should remain light but controlled. Take your time here. Speed will come later. Right now, we're focusing on precision, but neat work is what makes your installs look luxury. So now we're on the left side of the client's head. This is the side where she's wearing her part. So my section here is a bit smaller. Less hair will live on this side, which means we have to be intentional on our density. Even with the smaller sections, I'm still keeping my partings straight and clean. So this prevents crosshairs. It keeps the hair falling naturally and allows the client to pull the hair up without exposure. You can also get creative with some customization by cutting your tapes in half. Now on the opposite side or the right side of the client head, you're going to notice the triangle section is a bit larger. This side will carry more hair, so we adjust the section size to maintain balance in the overall install. Same technique, same straight lines, just customized for the client's natural part and density. Customization is what makes your installs look professional. So now your install is complete, and this is the moment I always check my work. Look how flat this ponytail is. No bulk, no tension, no pulling. This is the result of clean sectioning, proper placement, and respecting the natural fall of the client's hair. Your client should be able to wear high styles, low styles, and everything in between comfortably. And now for the finished look, I just added some soft curls to show the movement and the blend. And as you can see, the extensions flow just like the client's natural hair. This is the goal every time: seamless, lightweight, and undetectable. When tape ends are installed correctly, they don't just add length and volume, they add confidence. And that's it. That's the completed beginner-friendly tape-in install. Thank you for watching.